Here we are at Soldier Hollow for the famous Utah Skijoring event.
We get a time for that last team.
I think it was a 49.40 because we missed the.
There's Spider-Man, alias Matt Newey.
49.40 with that T.
River Bottoms Ranch.
It's going to be Matt Newey and Austin Horner.
Hey, Matt is the clogged.
He's the
92 miles an hour.
That's unbelievable.
Dude, the kid can ski.
And how did he do this?
Straight down the mountain. Head straight down the mountain. He can ski though. This will be a time to watch if we can keep the horse straight. Matt will do the rest. He's in his Spider-Man outfit, ready to rock and roll. I'm pretty sure he's single.
If you want to give Matt a round of applause right there, Spider-Man himself. Matt Spider-Man Newey.
Questionable attire choices. Like he stole a little bit of the gym. I saw him at dinner last night. He was wearing them. I mean, I don't think he's taking them off in 2 days. I mean,
It's Matt Newey. Anybody that goes 92 miles an hour can wear whatever he wants.
Let's get it! Woo!
Matt, are you dead? Matt, you alive?
Oh, shoot.
Yeah. You did? Okay.
Oh!
Okay. Anything else, Eric? How's your head?
It's good, it's good, it's good. Oh!
Can I get the snowmobile over here? You okay, Matt?
Oh! I just felt my ACL. Woo!
Scale from 1 to 10, well, how much does it hurt?
9, 8. Oh!
He's putting up his thumbs right now saying, hey, I'm good, everybody. We're going to give him the time. He says, I'm good, though. He says, I sprained it really bad, but I think I'm good.
There you go, buddy. Question. He's on his feet.
Yeah.
Give this guy a round of applause. Sweet skier, Matt Newey. I'm good.
Let's make sure we go in and we'll test it and see where you're at, okay?
Sounds good. Questions about you right now, bud. You came in your pajamas with a hurt knee. Go 40 feet to flat. But hey, we're proud of you, buddy. We got your back.
Woo! Oh, that was the weirdest feeling. I felt literally my whole knee just slide out.
9 inches?
It felt 10 times worse from when I first sprained it.
Okay.
But it felt like all my ligaments were just like squirming.
Nice. That's always fun feeling, right?
I know.
That was not fun.
Whew. It felt like my leg slipped forward all the way, like my femur.
Yeah.
I felt it move all the way forward. It was just loose, like spaghetti.
Okay.
And then it went to the right or left. So MCL or something was getting pulled in it too.
Hit your head at all?
No, everything else is good. Spider-Man can't save the world anymore.
Oh, poor Spider-Man.
What's up?
Next street.
How's everything going?
Oh, my poor boys.
Matt, give me a crutch. Oh, I need them. Matt. Can I have one of your crutches?
No.